What?
Same pala.
Same?
Same pala kayo?
Same.
Ba't siya gumaganon nga? Laki ng tiyan mo, Mandu.
Aha. Good morning.
Teka, let's wait for Mama.
Mandu, you're so cute naman. Hi. Hi guys, so today we're going to
Yeah, we're gonna
Shinjuku in donkey. Sunod siya rin na donkey. Mandu. Sobrang yummy. Alika, let's find other birds there. Oh.
dirty water. Do it. That's for the birds. Where are the birds?
Before shopping with the maleta.
Central Park.
Di ba? Ang cute na.
Bilan na lang natin ang extra thermal. Makapawis yan.
Kuya Jude!
Ay, na yung panda. Ang dalayo na.
Dito sa'yo eh.
Pinakamasaya sa aming trip. Uy! Kami nagbibit-bit na maleta. Working. Sabay.
Ito na yung sensory ng kids.
Ah, siguro dat magpaa siya.
Kulay ka na rin sa.
Wala akong linis.
Mas maganda to. May green? Kote.
Wow, Mandu! Tingnan mo, hindi mo alam pinagsha-shopping ka, oh. Lining up for ramen. Oh, yung turista namin. Very tourist. Cute. Oh.
Parang nasa Baguio, ma. Up dyan, eh.
Pera. Ikaw din, lagay mo pera. Yan. Ito bo, sukli mo na.
Saan yan?
Palitan ko, Jay. Yan. Jay, 8,000. Bigyan kita 5,000. Change.
あと全員入れます。
Yummy? Yummy ramen?
Ay, ang sila ng donkey, guys. Says, ang lamig. Biglang lumamig.
No. White strawberry.
Seafood.
Yan na, yan nga yung gusto mo. Mandu.
じゃあ変えるっていうことをすれば
With you. Kalo? Ramen.
No, no,
Mandu, kampay! Kampay!
Kampay.
Kampay!
Kampay! Oh, shot daw, shot. Chug daw, chug. He's like... My left to my beat. Your mom memorizes it.
Kasi tina-target ko. I'm targeting 20. So here we go.
Why not? We're going to PG Market and then we'll go see that park and then Odaiba.
So we're gonna see dead fish, living fish.
We're waiting for my family. As always. Guys! Hi, Mandu!
Hi.
You're so cute. Oh, he's in the mood.
Of course, me. Lots of candies.
Wow!
Everyone's waiting.
Oh yeah, twinning. You're not twinning. No, okay. He was looking for you though.
Oh, really?
Alam mo, afternoon na kaya.
400.
Ay, siya daw.
You know.
Lapit mo. Good, go.
One. Fast.
It's one lang, 100 oh.
2.
Is it 4?
4, yeah. Fast. 3. Oops.
This na lang, fast.
3.
Wow!
4. And then
Twist Mandu. Mandu. No, this one.
twist. Woo!
Where is it? There na, get.
Let's go na.
Yay! Okay, let's go.
Smile, dude, smile. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
100 pesos yan, 180 pesos. Bili tayo?
3,000 yan.
Ha?
Yung fatty tuna.
Sige.
Eel over rice. Bibigay niyo na.
Picture only. Okay, say picture to baby.
Call yung damit mo.
Hey,
May rice bowl. Oh, pwede na?
kami. Sarap?
Hindi, wala pa ako.
Kabo, fatty tuna. Overpriced daw.
Overpriced, sabi niya.
Alam mo picture? Harap.
Chewy.
Wow! Thank you! Last na, last. Can I have a bit more? A bit less. Yes.
Ay, mahal ka niya. Binigyan ka. Hindi niya binibigay yung chocolate.
Thanks, Mandu! Wow! Too many chocolate! He doesn't give the chocolate daw.
Lolo, try it. Mahaba yung pila?
Hindi, walang pila.
Magkano yan?
250.
Ha?
250. 200, mga 200 plus.
Okay na?
280.
Masarap naman yun.
Ano Kuya Jud? Ano daw?
Younger than your brother.
I'm just joking.
Chichi.
Right now we're in Kitty Market.
As you can see.
Price food art. Experience.
For experience purposes.
Okay.
Go lang, go lang. Sayang.
Oh, that's a green tea. Right now,
Tingin lang ako sa'yo.
pass by. How's your Tsukiji experience? How's your Tsukiji experience?
Oh,
The best.
great.
Ito naman, parang mga walang alam na
The
English.
best. Marvelous. Bloody. Marvelous.
Yummy. Yummy. Uni. Sea urchin.
Ano na yung computation?
Sauce tutorial. Soup. Sauce. Pili ko yun dyan. He treated us. Hug mo, hug!
Ando, hug him, hug.
Hug! Okay? Okay, let's go! Hindi pa na-picturean kuya dyan eh. O, picture na lang kayo. He's pooping again.
Ano yan?
Poop siya.
Ay, nagpupo.
Naoki,
Arto.
how can
He pushed
they
the
bear
papa away.
Phone? Those your ladies, the women over there. What about it? How can they bear the cold in their lives?
Mama daw.
Right.
Ano daw?
So hard.
Man. Oh, Mandu. The papa. Where's the fish? Yummy.
Pas mo. Get it fast.
Wow.
Give it to me. Open it.
Mando, put the ticket. Ticket. Put the ticket. Yeah. You'll get mad.
Get.
Bye-bye.
Ito.
One nation.
Kaya ticket to.
Ay, naku.
Putsas, dito na okay naman ngayon.
Uy, baka mag-open ah. Dudut, you're excited to see the fish? Shark? What else? Jellyfish? Jellyfish? What else?
Octopus.
Tokyo Sea Life Park. Mandu! That's a pufferfish. Penguin.
But I don't know.
I don't know. Oh my god. Why ew?
That's salap. That's yummy.
To eat?
That's yummy.
Yes.
That's yummy.
Yeah.
So many?
Look, oh, the blue one's so cute.
Scary.
Ngayon niya lang na-enjoy yan. Nakailang ganyan na siya.
Shark.
Bakit siya? Mandu! Wow!
Laki ng tuna, no?
Where? The what? Whale!
That whale is behind.
Ah?
I love
Noki. Noki, Noki.
She's hungry looking at all those fish.
Akala ko sa water, sa ano
I
yung
didn't know
ilalim ng
they
lupa.
swim like... Akala ko pag ganito sila, like... Octopus. At jellyfish.
Sarap dito.
Ang cute naman nila. They're so cute.
Hindi sila totoo. Mali yung mga alam natin.
Bakit wala silang na? Parang dinarrecreate nila yung itsura ng mga ano. Where? Ah! Sleeping. Fifth wheeling.
Tara, tara.
Okay, let's
Cargo
go.
na?
Okay, ready na kayo?
Oo, sige.
Uy, first time snow! Wow! Tin, baba ka! Baba ka dun! Baba ka dun! Go! Snowy! Mando, you're not happy? Why are you not happy? Why are you not happy?
But I cannot play.
Sana ganyan pa dun sa...
Ah, okay, like this. Okay, oh. Ano sinabi mo ba kay Mando?
Sabi ko pagising niya, Mando, we're here in SM, Tuigaraw.
Guys, grabe, it's...
Okay, sana ulan.
Like, it feels like negative 4 degrees. Ah. Super lamig. Intense. Hindi ako prepared with my coat. Our chef! Our yakiniku master.
Pero ano,
Order!
order.
Wow! Yes. So cool.
I know.
Order! Kanpai! How's time? Busy.
You rent it out, lease, or buy. You do the
Truffle draw meat! Oh, go!
Video time, okay.
Let's pretend like we're We're laughing.
Marina pretend laughing.
笑うふりしてる。
Good artist.
Yummy. Last course. Last course. I feel like there's hospital near.
I'm the boss. Come on.
He likes it. Oh my god. He might hit the TV ah. Hi, dude! Oh my god. Super dami namin maleta. Kailangan namin mag-Uber and taxi to Casey Bueno. Hindi kaya ng mga kamay namin. Is this... It's not Rainbow Bridge. Leaving our luggages at a meeting room. Kasi masyadong marami hindi kasya sa lockers. Mandut! Is this our new house? Okay, meeting time.
Oo, kasi
Kuya, dun.
the one who will
20 minutes lang ha.
is
Tin.
Tin.
Merong may sariling mundo. May sariling mundo to. Anong turn? Year.
3, 4. Anak niyo nila ako. Here's your child. Year. Unang taon, wala ko na kayo anak. Pangalawang taon, dito. Okay. Pangalawang taon. Pangatlo taon, apat na agad ako.
Ilang ako rin natin yung
Sis, ano yan? To conclude daw.
So in 2027, 2020, next year, you already have time. Thanks, Naoki, for the budget.
Mando, you're so cute. Mana zoo.
Don't love me anymore, huh? Your gorilla parents are here.
But... Papa!
That's your papa.
Oh, where's your papa?
That's not my papa.
That's not your papa?
That's not your papa?
Who's your papa? Who's your papa?
That's a monkey.
Ah?
That's not a human. That's
Oo, galing ah.
And your
That's
papa
not
is
a
the
human.
monkey.
Your papa is a monkey.
Baka...
it's a monkey.
Yes,
Oh, ilakad the monkey
okay.
na.
What did you say?
Ay, gata.
Why, arigato.
I got,
Why?
I got,
Arigato.
I got.
Wake up! Shaw-shaw! Shaw-shaw na yun!
Hello. Hello, panda.
Compilation of Mando pooping. Okay?
バイバイするところはここです。バイバイするとここだから最後足見れるよ。
Dito na lang yung dirty life. Oo, ako na. Para na.
Diba? Yes, playmate na. Hey, food stalls. Takoyaki.
Ayan po.
Takoyaki. Fred, you have a beer.
Pwede.
Takoyaki. Yummy. Within Japan. Last within Japan. CZ. Last with.
No, Ida will stay.
You wanna leave Japan?
Not with mom.
Leave Papa. Papa, I leave you.
I'm leaving that.
I leave you daw. Ay, cho. Ay, high five lang. High five lang.
Oh,
Say bye-bye Japan na?
oh,
Bye-bye Japan na?
ouch.
Yeah, because you punched me. I'll see you guys soon.
Just make sure you find time on May, ano ha?
Yeah.
That
May.
Okay, thank you.
Golden week, huh?
Take care.
Say bye na to Tito Naoki.
Bye-bye. Say arigato. Thank you.
Ano video?
Course.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's go to Japan na.
Balik na. Balik ka to Japan.
I want to go to
Japan na.
You know.